This is a deep chill. That wind is gusty this morning. Right now we're seeing wind gusts between 25 to 30 miles per hour. But as we travel through later this morning and heading into the afternoon, wind gusts could get as high as 40 miles per hour. And that is why we are concerned for the wind chill factors even as we travel through the afternoon. You can see there's plenty of sun that will be in store for us, but those temperatures will feel like they're down in the teens. So high temperatures will actually sit closer to the upper 20s to low 30s. We're staying below average with those temperature readings, and you factor in the wind, we're going to feel like we're in the low to mid teens at the high point of the afternoon. Temperatures tonight fall down into teens for most spots yet again, but the wind chills will be in the low single digits as it will be a little gusty overnight. There's a steady breeze in store for us tomorrow. It's not as strong as what we're dealing with today, and that's why I do expect that the wind chill factor will stay in the 20s tomorrow. So the cold air is easing very slowly as this high pressure starts to shift eastward and allow for that wind to weaken very slowly throughout the day tomorrow. We also have some areas of snow and rain that we're watching off to our west. This is with some energy that's going to form into a storm system that impacts the mid-Atlantic, and you can see that starting to approach by Monday night. It is something we're watching for Tuesday into Wednesday. It's mainly a mist to our south, but there is the chance of some flurries passing by Tuesday night to Wednesday morning, bringing us the potential for patchy coatings. So that's our little bump in the road here. Watch out for that for Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. And then we're holding on to a little bit of a chill as we travel through the later half of the work week before our next moderation for later next weekend.